Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Evernote offline. Let's begin. Now, to use the Evernote offline, you need to have the offline mode set up so you can access your notes without an internet connection. So the first thing is you might want to click the desktop options, both for Mac and Windows. All I have to do is click this button right here. Now, once the download has started, all I have to do is locate the file and install the application on your computer. And then once the Evernote has been successfully installed, all right, you should now be able to access the Evernote offline. But of course, before you can download the Evernote, it would require you to sign in. So you want to make sure that, for example, you need to log in first to your online account, the web version. And then once you're logged in, hover to the upper left corner where you can see the settings. Make sure that they are synced automatically and integratedly by clicking the connected apps and the devices. All right, so basically I have the Evernote web, which is the current device. And of course, you make sure that you also support the desktop because you need to sign in for both accounts, even if it's the web version and the desktop application. And from here, you can basically create a new note as if you can do it without any problem. All right. Change the color. And then you can add some image if you want. Now, once you are done with creating a note here, go to the top left corner where you can see the file. You can do a lot of things. For example, you can export this note as a PDF right here. Click the destinations. You have an option to send to OneNote 2010, OneNote for Windows 10, OneNote Desktop, and a lot more. All right, so these are going to be some of the options. Or you have an option to click the print note, Microsoft Print to PDF, and you can select these settings right here. You also have an option to export this note as an NX format or .enex or a single web page or .html, whichever you prefer. Just click the export button. But the idea is if you want to share this note, you're not going to be able to do that because you're using it on offline. All right, you can only do this if you are connected to the internet. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.